Instaclip AI is one of the newest players in the AI software space, and today I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're considering adding this tool to your digital marketing strategy, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what makes Instaclip AI a game changer. First off, Instaclip AI is all about streamlining your video creation process. If you're someone who produces content regularly, you know how time-consuming editing and post-production can be. Well, Instaclip AI is designed to cut that down significantly, making it super easy to create short-form videos from longer content. You simply upload your footage, and Instaclip AI's algorithms do the heavy lifting to extract the most engaging parts of your video. Think of it as your personal editor that works 10 times faster than a human, saving you hours of work. Now, here's the catch. Instaclip AI doesn't just auto-generate videos. The software is smart. It analyzes the content and highlights the key moments that are most likely to engage viewers. For digital marketers, this is a game changer because it allows you to quickly create content that resonates with your audience without having to watch hours of footage. Another huge feature is the AI-powered text overlay. This is where Instaclip AI really shines. With a few clicks, you can add text to your videos that's not only relevant but optimized for maximum engagement. This is perfect for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, where captions and text overlays play a huge role in audience retention. For those of you in digital marketing, the platform also integrates with other tools, making it super easy to push your newly created clips directly to social media or your website. This integration means no more downloading and uploading manually. Instaclip AI connects with your digital ecosystem for seamless content sharing. What's even more impressive is the analytics. After using Instaclip AI to create a video, you can dive into analytics to see exactly how your videos are performing. This gives you real-time data on engagement, which you can then use to tweak your strategy and optimize for better results. For those serious about growing their brands, these insights are invaluable. Let's talk about pricing. Instaclip AI offers a free trial, which is a huge win for anyone just starting out. And unlike other platforms where the free version is severely limited, Instaclip AI lets you access a good chunk of features, so you can really get a feel for how it works before committing to a paid plan. I'll drop a link in the description so you can try it for free and see how it works for your business. And lastly, the platform continues to improve. The team behind Instaclip AI is constantly adding new features, improving the AI, and listening to user feedback. This means that if you decide to jump on board, you're not just getting a tool for today. You're investing in something that will evolve and grow with you. So, is Instaclip AI worth it? If you're someone who creates video content and needs to speed up the process, especially for social media, this software is a no-brainer. But don't just take my word for it. Check out the free trial for yourself, and I'll have some of my other recommended AI tools linked below that I've personally tested over the years. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check the links in the description for more details and free trials.